Hello there. This is the start of a new series of videos about comparing or emceeing. And what I wanted to start with the first few videos about is to think about what is the role of the compare. Now, to my mind, you have to be friends to three sets of people: the audience, the speakers, and the event organizer. And we're going to explore those over the next three videos. So today, let's start with being a friend to the audience. When an audience comes into an event, whether it's a huge conference, maybe an internal meeting, they want to know what's going on. They want to feel relaxed. They want to feel confident that this is well run, that this is going to go smoothly, and this is going to be of value to them. So this is where the compare really needs to set a tone. You need to come in and really set a tone as to whether this is going to be formal, whether this is going to be informal, whether it's going to be fast moving, high energy, whether it's a bit more relaxed. And that may depend on the day of the week, the time of the day, the nature of the event. But you need to be friends to the audience, because an audience will not relax and be receptive to whatever the speaker's got to say unless they are comfortable. Don't underestimate an audience's need to know where the toilets are, when they're going to get coffee, when they're going to be fed, when they're going to have a chance to ask questions, and how they can ask questions. So as compare, your role is to give the audience that information, to be their friend. To an extent, you are representing the audience on the stage. If you find yourself asking questions of a speaker, hopefully you'll ask the questions that the audience might have asked. You are there to make sure that an audience is relaxed, that an audience is informed, and to an extent, you're there to warm up the audience so that by the time the speaker comes on, the audience are tuned in, they're primed, ready to listen. And in future videos, we'll explore the whole job of introducing people, because that's a skill in itself. So just bear in mind, if you're stepping up to be a compare, to be a host, you are there to be a friend to the audience. How could you do that? What does that mean? What does that need when you're stood on stage talking to that audience, trying to be their friends? We'll explore that more in future videos. If you come here via my email newsletter while you're here, do subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you see all my video content. If you come here via YouTube, in the description below, you will find a link to my email newsletter, which is a fortnightly roundup of communication and presentation tips and some great content from around the web. So do subscribe to that, and hopefully I'll see you next time.